everybody. I'm Casey. This is Alexis. We are All's Lost Outside Our Fantasy. We are a creative collective working towards bettering the world through our artistic expression. And this is one of the events that we were asked to host.
We teamed up with 602. Thank you, 602, for having us here to provide the social shopping experience for our guests. We had a Do You Really Know Rihanna trivia game, and we awarded 5 guests with $100 gift cards to shop Fenty tonight. So All's Lost Outside Our Fantasy is a creative collective, and we're working towards social and environmental change. We were asked by 602 to team up with them to bring a social shopping experience for our guests, the aloof guests. We do all different types of events, from fashion to art, music, anything to promote just positivity. And so we're really lucky to be able to put our own twist on this event with Aloof, teaming up with Fenty, Puma, and 602. And so we're just so grateful for this opportunity.